Then a stranger came along, and everything went wrong. Now there's 3 cigarettes in the ash.
Boom!
What you want me to roll with you for anyway?
No reason. I just wanted to get in the carpool lane.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man, just cool out, homie. Just chill.
Your cousin coming here from Mexico.
Yeah, me and her go way back. Way back.
Ah, Smoke, you full of shit.
Don't be prejudiced again in my presence, Carl. Everybody is my cousin. Okay, my cousin Mary's in there. Sweet, sticky, bud fresh off the plantation. Here, pull up here, let me do the talking.
Man, I should've known.
We gotta stick with him. Man, I'm done. What the hell's going on up there? Fuck this shit!
Blame society, man. I see some idiots in my time, but you special. What is this shit?
Yeah, I like the way you move that thing.
I'm a baller, homie. What are you? Hey, man, I was talking to you.
Record of Corona Beach still holds.
Oh, you want...